Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I have received a happy mail all the way from USA, and this mail comes from Caprice, and she is crafted by Caprice on Instagram, and she has a YouTube channel as well now. So I will make sure to link everything in my description area so you guys can go follow. And if you guys have been involved in group swaps, I am pretty sure that you guys are aware that Crafted by Caprice has been participating in some of them as well. And she really wanted to send me a happy mail. So I said, only if you can. And this arrived today. Now, to be exact, apparently, the mailman tried to deliver this on 1st of July. Today is 15th July. And on 1st of July, to remember it now, I had a hospital appointment. So that is why I wasn't home, because I'm usually home, you guys. So it got missed, and they never left me a card to go collect it until the card came today saying that I need to go collect it by 25th of July. So me and my husband went to collect it, and they said that this mail went to the nearest post office just yesterday. So I don't know what happened in between. But anyway, so I finally have it, and I'm very, very thankful. And Caprice has made me an ATC card, and it's like shabby chic style. So Caprice loves doing shabby chic style. And I also have seen many of her Graphic 45 group swap mails and things like that. And I think she also likes 49 and Market. So pretty, right? Look at all of the diamond dot accents that she did. And she even used like sequin bits as well. And this is Handmade for You by Caprice, it says on Instagram, YouTube. And her favorites are Wow Glitter. I have no idea what that is. I haven't seen Wow Glitter before, I don't think. And Spellbinders. I don't really have much of Spellbinders. I think I had a rosette set from a Spellbinders, but I believe Spellbinders does a lot of intricate type of designs. So this is a beautiful card that she sent me, and it was in this envelope. And at first I thought, does she write this? Then I realized, because I felt the texture, I think this is a rub-on that she used to decorate the envelope. Such a good way to use the rub-on set. And she's also used that rub-on and fly on here as well. And this butterfly, I do recognize. This is definitely from KSCRAFT. It's a beautiful, elegant butterfly. Can you see the layering? And she's even used like a rice paper, almost like, actually it's organza. I think it's organza. And she's also got several layers, you guys, see? So there is a pattern paper underneath. And then there is a vellum on top, and then a gold intricate die piece on top. And then she finished it off with this organza butterfly. That is a very wonderful layering piece. And she's even done gold splatters, you guys. Can you see? And this card tells me that she said that I was one of the people that inspired her to start a YouTube channel. That is absolutely amazing. So thank you so much. And that is one of the reasons why she wanted to send me a happy mail, she says. Now these are a bunch of rolled roses. I believe these are English rose type of roses. She does have a tutorial, you guys, if you want to go follow. Look how many layers that is, you guys. And she rolls them, and she uses like tweezers. Gosh, I don't have the patience to make something like this. So I am going to treasure these. I will add these to whatever crafting I can add to. So, so pretty. So she's given me several colors, you guys. Can you see? There is definitely a tutorial, so if you guys want to make roses like this, you should go over to her channel. So she gave me some roses, and then she also sent me some sweet, pretty pink socks, you guys. This one says Sweet Dreams. I even love the bag. And then this one says Cloud Socks. I love socks like this, We are now in winter here in Australia, but winter will be over soon, but I will still be using this for a while because my feet do get cold. I do love the color. And then she sent these layered butterfly stickers in pastel tone. I think I will be doing some kind of summer spring crafting soon, so that will go hand in hand with that. And then she sent me these 3 containers. These 3 little trinket boxes. And inside, you guys, I briefly opened it to have a look because there was a rattly sound. And inside, she sent me some beads, you guys. I think this one is a flat back piece. And I love the AB coating on there. And it's a strawberry popsicle piece. So pretty. And then this one is a bead, you guys. I have never seen it. Look, there's a hole. Look. Oh my gosh. That is so fun. And look at these popsicle pieces. Oh, I love these. They are so pretty. And then here are more ice cream cone beads. My gosh, I have never seen these. So fun. And then in this one, look at all of these pretty colors, you guys. So in this one, we have some. These are like acrylic flower pieces. So I can layer in the middle more. Very pretty. And then this one here. And then this one here. Then she's also sent various color of the checkered hearts. And I love these. These are very pretty. They're like sugar-coated beads, but they have like little tiny pearl pieces as well. Can you see? And I have never seen those as well. And I don't have any of these beads. Oh my gosh. Then this one here is another one. And look, more AB coated. Oh my gosh. What is her name? Oh, I knew her name, but I love her. Oh my gosh, she is so pretty. So pretty. Very sweet. And these heart beads, oh my gosh, they're really big. And look at the size of the hole. You guys, long time ago when I started to do bead craft, I thought that the beads with large hole was no use for me. Now, I am in love with anything that has large hole because they are perfect for beadable pins and beadable keychain sticks and for doing like much more different kinds. Like if I were to do more macrame style, oh my gosh, large hole is a must. And then these camera pieces, you guys, I don't have any of these. Thank you so much, Caprice, for putting this together for me. It was a wonderful surprise today, and I am just very grateful for all your support and the time you spend watching my video. Thank you all for you guys to give me kind comments, and thank you all so much for being here with me. And make sure you guys go over to Caprice channel and on Instagram, which I will have down below. Thank you so much. Bye for now.